Are you looking for the best keyboard and mouse combo for PS5? In this video we will look at some of the best keyboard and mouse combo for PS5 on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Corsair K552-BA Pro plus Harpoon RGB Pro. Here is fantastic budget-friendly option for your gaming needs. The Corsair K552-BA Pro and Harpoon RGB Pro are compatible with each other and work together perfectly. We love the cool RGB lighting features, which make this combo a great option for the style-conscious gamer. If you have a lot of RGB lighting on your gaming setup, this will fit right in. Plus, there's super easy installation, which makes getting started a breeze. The keyboard comes with programmable keys, always a bonus for pro gamers. A couple of drawbacks: the keyboard can get pretty noisy and there aren't any weight adjustment options. However, this combo is still one of the best in the market. But if you are right-handed, bear in mind the ambidextrous design may not be as comfortable as some other options on our list. Number 2. Razer Turret. The Razer Turret is a fantastic choice if you're searching for a wireless keyboard and mouse set for the PS5. Both Xbox and PS5 are compatible with this combination. Despite being quite expensive, it is a wonderful choice for gamers who desire excellent connectivity and a great battery life. Both the mouse and keyboard in this combo come with first-rate connectivity and response times, perfect for first-person shooters like Modern Warfare. The wireless design of both components is great for stripped-back PC setups, with outstanding battery life. This is seriously a high-end combo which pro gamers might want to invest in. Number 3. Redragon K552-BA. The Redragon K552-BA mechanical gaming keyboard and ergonomic M602 RGB Griffin gaming mouse combo is one of the best options there are. This combo comes with a mechanical keyboard and a customizable mouse. If you're after a compact keyboard, you can't go far wrong with this option. The Redragon K552-BA is a small but mighty piece of kit, with snazzy RGB lighting. However, it can get a little noisy. The M602 RGB mouse has a high DPI for accurate gameplay and programmable buttons for advanced in-game action. There's no weight adjustment options, but the design is super comfortable and should be fine for most players. Number 4. Logitech G213 Keyboard. Though the Logitech G213 keyboard and G305 Lightspeed mouse are two different gaming peripherals, they can be combined. This combo brings the best of both keyboard and mouse features, thereby offering you an unforgettable gaming experience. The G213 offers a comfortable wrist rest which is perfect for marathon gaming session, and comes with a spill-resistant design for any messy gamers. Like some of the other options on this list, it comes with programmable function buttons. In short, this mouse is a fantastic budget option which still offers plenty